Hi everyone, welcome to Outgrow. Today we're showing you how leading brands like Forbes use interactive BMI calculators to engage their audience, and how you can build the same experience in minutes. Forbes runs an interactive calculator called BMI Calculator. Check your body mass index on its website. It asks visitors three simple questions: age, height, and weight, then delivers instant personalized results. That's personalization at scale, and it's exactly the kind of experience you can recreate with Outgrow. Here's how. Open AI marketing tools from the navigation bar. Select Healthcare Marketing Tools and click Try Now. Describe what you want to build. For example, create a BMI calculator. Outgrow's AI instantly generates a complete calculator framework: questions, answer options, and outcome structures. Add a heading, subheading, and CTA button. Update visuals with high-resolution imagery that reflects your brand. Questions and answers. Click any element to edit it in place. Fast and intuitive. Outcome pages. Design each result with intention. For a BMI calculator, that might mean a live updating chart. To customize the chart, choose a style, add a chart title, and set your X and Y axis names. You can even upload an Excel sheet or JSON link to define your own result parameters. Click Update Chart to apply your changes. Head to the Design tab for the finishing touches. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, choose custom typography, and adjust layouts as needed. The goal: your calculator should feel like a native part of your site, not a third-party embed. Before you publish, run preview mode. Walk through the entire calculator, test every question, verify each outcome, and confirm the experience feels polished. When you're confident, hit Go Live. Share your calculator with a direct link or embed it on your site using the embed option. That's it. In just a few steps, you've built the kind of interactive, personalized calculator experience that brands like Forbes rely on to engage users, capture intent data, and drive real results. Ready to build yours? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start creating today.